Hello, everyone, and welcome to our podcast, She Builds. I'm Sheetal Nawal, founder of Aposh, a lifestyle design studio. Let me introduce you to our very special guest today. Behind every stroke of color and every frame of animation lies a story. And today's guest, an engineer to studying architecture and finally discovering her inner calling of being an illustrator and animator. She's turned every detour into pure art. She's very bubbly and she's full of colors. She's playful and at the heart of all, she's a storyteller. Please welcome interior architect Mansi Joshi, an illustrator, an animator, and a full time creator. Welcome, interior architect Mansi, to the show
Hello.
She Builds. Ma'am, I'm really curious to know the degree that's prefixed to your name.
Yes.
It's interior architect.
Yes.
क्योंकि usually what I have heard of and even others have heard is interior decorator या तो फिर architect.
Yes.
So what is this?
So basically, the degree is Bachelor of Design, but then in bracket they write interior architect. So you know what architects are, what interior designers are. So when someone is pursuing interior design, it can just be someone who um, has a hobby and then pursues it later in life. There's a diploma course as well. What I did was an integrated 4.5 year course
Okay.
where for the first 2 years we studied with architecture students. We had the same semester course, same classes, everything. And then for the remainder of my degree, for the 2.5 years that was left, we did specialization where it was like one semester is we're doing residential design, then we did corporate offices,
Specialization in interiors.
specialization in interiors. We also did furniture design, theater design, and then for about 6 months we did our thesis. So it's just the difference of degree and how much time we are spending in doing that. So architecture degree is for 5 years. What I did is 4.5 years. There's someone who can do a diploma, and that person can also be called an interior designer. But just because the duration of my course was 4.5 years, the degree is called interior architects. So what we do is for a layman, an architect is someone जो building बनाता है.
Mm-hmm.
So you consider the facade of it, how the windows are going to look, how the doors are going to look. Now for an interior architect, you can just build 4 walls.
Okay.
Put us inside. We can do everything for you. We'll do your plumbing, your electricals, your structure, whatever goes inside, furniture, decoration, from that till even what painting is going on your wall. So
Okay.
it just comprises of a lot more.
So scratch until the last
Yes,
decoration of the
yes,
wall.
yes.
So मैम being a मारवाड़ी I would say कि ये ज्यादा फायदे वाली डिग्री है ना.
हाँ,
इसमें
टाइम
पैसे
ज्यादा
भी
लगता है.
बच गए. सबसे पहले तो पैसे बच गए. 4.5 साल लगे आपके.
Yes.
टाइम बच गया. And you have in your arena everything right from
Yes.
scratch.
Yes.
Very nice.
Yeah. So it comes under Bachelor of Design. So if someone is looking towards doing this, they can just research that and then you can become an interior architect. So
Wonderful.
people confuse it. They call us interior designer. We are happy with that. Sometimes people call us architects. Architects are not happy with that, but we think our work is also very important.
Yeah,
Yeah.
wonderful. This was a new thing for us. Well, ma'am, like any Indian kid, you also ventured your educational journey starting with engineering.
Yes.
And later on, the jump to architectureship, and later on, what you are doing is still another domain. So, can we have more about this?
Yeah, definitely. So I grew up in a joint family in Indore,
Mhm.
and basically it was my grandparents, my dad's elder brother, his wife, his kids, my parents, and we are also very close to my dad's sister. So it's a really big family. And my grandmother in that age, she did a double MA
Oh.
in economics and music. And then for all her life, she was a maths teacher.
Wonderful.
So she put a lot of focus on studies, and also, so my grandfather, he migrated to Indore from Maharashtra, from
Acha.
a small town in Jalgaon, a smaller town near Jalgaon actually. So he didn't come with a lot of money. He just migrated with his 8 siblings.
8 siblings.
Yes, yes. So he had to do everything from scratch, and my grandmother had this very strong belief that education is one thing, that can open up a lot of opportunities for you and you'll climb that
Being
ladder.
educated.
Yes, yes. So she was very, very strict about it. So I grew up in a very academically inclined family, and marks, performing well in school was extremely important.
Ma'am,
So
yesterday we were talking and I could hear from you कि 100 में से आपको 95 आए तो
yeah,
उसके लिए भी आपको डांट पड़ती थी
yes,
कि
yes,
5 मार्क्स
yes,
कहाँ चले.
yes. So my school was like 15 kilometers away from my house. So and at that time by bus, whenever I went, it took me like half an hour for my PTM when they would show notebooks. जब
Yeah.
school में दिखाते हैं. I remember I was like a student who performed well in school. I was not the topper, but I used to perform well. But for me, that half an hour journey with my parents going back home was like, आज तो गए, अभी
Oh
TV
my
चला
God.
जाएगा, अभी खेलने जाना हमारा हो जाएगा. And then if I would see my marks now when I go home, I see all my report cards. My mom has all of them. So we had 50 marks ki paper. I always scored like 45, 46. गलती से 40 और 45 के बीच में आ जाए, oh my God,
Oh,
all TV rights are gone, everything is gone, and then I would
that's
get
strict.
really, yeah, scolded. And the strict was also such that my parents did not believe in corporal punishment. I was never hit in my house. They were extremely against it. It was just माहौल ऐसा था, and me being the youngest kid and I was the youngest person in this 10 people family. So माहौल ही ऐसा था कि we just grew up very sincere towards studies.
Studies.
Yeah, so because I was sincere, I used to score well, and then after my 10th, they just thought that that's the course of action because everyone did engineering, everyone does engineering. So then,
So engineering was something which was told to you that you were supposed to
yeah,
do.
and I was
Okay.
always very creative. I used to love to draw. So, like my sibling and my elder brother, they went to a convent school, like a all girls, all boys school. But मेरा बचपन से they knew कि she is थोड़ा different, so they put me in a different school where they also paid some attention towards co-curricular activities.
Okay.
So I was very interested in like theater, drama, drawing, arts and craft. But then this was all just school में होगा, hobby है. This was never like no one ever encouraged this as a career choice. So I didn't even know this could exist. Even all my friends did engineering. I had no idea. So after my 10th, that's what I did. I chose PCM with computers.
So your parents must have been, we'll come later to that, but I can be very sure that you then finally announcing you want to be an illustrator and an animator. So that must have
Yeah.
come like a real big thing for them.
So it didn't even start like that. So I enrolled. So you know how the Kota is really famous for IIT coaching.
Yeah.
So that time Indore was really booming and all these all India rank holders. Somehow we had a coaching center in Indore that was able to produce all these high ranking people. So my parents enrolled me in that coaching. The routine was such that I was go to school till 1. I would come back home. I was not that great at chemistry, so I would go to an extra coaching at 2:30 for chemistry. From 3:30, I would run to my main coaching. From 3:30 to 9, I would be in my coaching. Come home, study, sleep, next day, same routine. And I was fed up of that because I
Oh my
did not like studying. I just used to study because घर पे डांट पड़ती थी. So, right before my 12th Diwali, that time, I just had a breakdown. Now we have all these mental health terms that I had a breakdown. That time I didn't understand what was happening, but I just broke down in front of my parents and I started crying and telling them that I cannot do this. This is not happening. Um, so they said, okay. They wanted to be supportive. So they were like, tell us what is it that you want to do.
Ma'am, I interrupt you. So this was the time when your grandmother was still there?
No, so my grandmother passed when I was in the 10th standard.
Okay.
But over time, I saw that even she was extremely supportive of what we did. Her whole thing started from that education is going to take you places. That's why you need to be really well educated. But being the youngest, mere time tak a lot had changed and they had become much more tolerant. So after that, after my 12th, when I proposed this idea that I don't think engineering is for me, सुना उन लोगों ने. And then I told them that I want to do literature. So at that time, I was really, I'll get to that later why I started animation. But at the heart of it, I love watching movies and I'm a storyteller at heart. I love telling stories. So, and I used to participate in a lot of debate competitions and all. So, I read my parents a debate that I had written for some competition that I went for. And I told them that I really like this. I want to do literature, I think, because the whole reason for saying this was I didn't know what else existed. I thought, okay, engineer बनते हैं, arts लेते हैं, literature में जाते हैं. I didn't know what career choices are because at least till our time there was no career counseling that I
Yeah.
really think schools should do. But मेरे time पे नहीं था. So
Career counseling for the arts.
for students in general, like I don't think 10th standard is a time when a lot of people don't know what they want to do. just
Yeah.
presenting options for them is
Fortunately, now many of the schools, even
yes,
in
yes,
in
that's what
Nasik,
I've heard.
yeah, the best of the schools, they are conducting
Yeah,
this
and
right from eighth standard.
they should absolutely do it.
Yeah,
I feel that's a
that is
very
really
good
very
change.
helpful
Yes, yes,
change.
definitely. Yeah, so when I presented this idea to them, all my family members were sitting and they were like, okay, you can do this. But it was like, karke dekh lo. They were not very excited about it. They were just like, okay, see, we want to be supportive, but we don't know if this is a great idea. And that time, so this fizzled out. My breakdown fizzled out. And then once again, I started preparing for engineering.
मैम जस्ट अ मिनट हियर, एक चीज, आपके पापा मम्मी ने ये एक्सेप्ट किया,
Hmm.
सो वाज इट दैट बचपन से ही यू सेड कि यू वर अ लिटिल डिफरेंट, क्योंकि बाकी दोनों भी आपके जो भाई
Yes.
बहन हैं, they were in that convent school and you were the one who were placed in some other
Yes.
school where there are co-curricular activities also taken care of.
Hmm.
So is it that they had accepted somewhere that कि मानसी थोड़ी सी different है इन सब से?
Hmm.
So they,
Yeah.
is it because of that acceptance
It was
that this thing came
probably
in
because of
from
that,
you?
but they had not accepted that I wanted to do literature. They just heard me out.
Okay.
They didn't lash out, but they knew कि इसको धीरे धीरे we'll push towards engineering. I knew
अच्छा.
that was their idea. It fizzled out. I started preparing for engineering again because no one encouraged what I was saying. No one paid heed to it. I gave my engineering means.
Okay.
Yeah, I was like, okay, I still have, so I'm someone who journals a lot, so I still have diaries at my house where I've written ki, oh, I really want to get into BITS Pilani or IIT, this, that. I knew I would never score that much. I'm not that brilliant. But I gave my mains.
So by the
And
way, what was the result for the mains?
yeah, that's where I'm coming to. So our coaching had mock exams for mains and advance every year, and I would always crack mains, and then advance में जो भी rank आती थी. So here is where I believe probably some God or some intervention happened, where for the first time I didn't cross mains. I wasn't able to
Okay.
crack it just by 2 marks.
Oh.
And I remember the result came out late at night, or I saw it late at night, and I started crying and bawling that tomorrow my parents are going to yell at me. The next day, when I told my parents, this is the most surprising thing to me, they had the most calm reaction. They were like, it's okay. You won't get into IIT. If you want to do engineering, there are so many nice colleges in our city. You'll get in some college. That is something that really pushed me. I was like, I did not expect this reaction. I don't know what happened to them. Probably I was crying so much, so they just wanted to console me. That happened, and then I was like, okay, what else can I do? And then I remembered that some friend had once mentioned a field called architecture.
Okay.
And then I thought architecture is something that my parents will consider smart because that's what they've always wanted, something like people should degree. I know it's very stereotypical, this is not how it should work, but Indian families. So I thought architecture karke dekhte hai, and I gave, there's this exam called NATA.
Yeah.
I prepared for like 15 days. The thing is that I am from MP, and I wanted a college that was in Gujarat. So Gujarat has a university called CEPT, which was my dream college.
Okay.
I wanted to get into that, but then of course I'm an outstate candidate, seats are limited, so all of that happened. And somehow I didn't get into CEPT. I got into a different college, but I was
Gujarat.
in Gujarat. I was in Gujarat, and I was just going around visiting different universities and colleges, and I went to this one university that had their exhibition at that time. It was a very small university. Like when you see architecture colleges, they are grand, like
Yeah.
CEPT campus. This was like a building pe ek floor. Very nice college. I saw the exhibition and I was so sold. I was like, I don't care, the building is not great. I just want to go here.
Okay.
I don't care what course they offer, but I was so impressed by it. So in this college, I didn't get architecture. They were giving me a degree called B Design, which is interior
So
architecture.
what was that fascinated वहाँ पर वो exhibition में क्या
So they
चीज़
had
था?
like small models made. There were drawings on the pin boards, whatever the students had worked on. I had
Okay.
never seen anything like that ever in my life. Like,
Fascinated you.
yeah. Like now, because I'm an architect, I'm in this field, I've seen it a lot, but this was my first, like I was exposed to it for the first time, that oh, all of this is possible in life. There were like small 3D models of like houses. So I was just very fascinated. I'm pretty sure other colleges will be yahi offer karte. They were just lucky that the exhibition was on at that time and I just got sold with the idea. And even after that, because I wasn't getting the degree of an architect, my father was a little upset. So I spoke to the dean at that time, and then the registrar of that office, that person called my dad and he was like, we think your daughter has potential, but we can offer her this is the degree. And my father lashed out at that person, ki, no, my daughter is only going to become an architect. And now he's very proud that I did not do that and this. But that's how Indian parents are. I think they need a lot of convincing. Somehow I got into that college, and that's how I ended up becoming an interior architect.
Wonderful. So this was your journey from an engineer student and from there to an architect, interior architect,
Yes.
correct. But ma'am, finally, what we see you doing this is more of storytelling and
Yes.
being an illustrator,
Yes.
an animator. So before we venture out more into this, so for someone layman like me, so what exactly is being an illustrator like?
So an illustrator is, if I can show you, we have this over
Mhm.
here.
Okay,
This thing can be called an illustration. So
this crown.
this crown,
Okay.
that's a graphic. So people can call it graphic designing as well. So it's basically you're just putting a graphic or an illustration to your brand.
Okay.
Okay. So if you see all around you right now, even that map of India can be called an illustration. So you're just getting an artist on board who can draw out your idea. For a layman, is what I can say. If they
Okay.
can draw out your idea, it's an illustration. Now, an illustrator can do branding for you, as in on your posters, they can illustrate and make a graphic out of it. They can do books.
So illustration is making animation into a picture.
So illustration is a static drawing
Okay.
that can be either done digitally
Uh-huh.
or pen, paper, pencil से traditional way में भी also they can do, or they can do it digitally.
अच्छा.
So there's जैसे painter होता है ना, where they make paintings.
Mhm.
Illustration is they're doing it either digitally or it's linked. It's just a different term. It's also an artist. An
Okay.
illustrator is also an artist, basically.
Okay.
Animation is different.
So illustration together is drawing है and अगर डॉग ड्रॉ किया है
Yes.
तो
Animation is the basic way में बच्चे जो कार्टून देखते हैं, that is an animation. That
animation
is
thing.
how I can tell it to anyone, like anyone will understand that. Now, if you remember, बहुत पहले there used to be flip books where
Yeah, वो-
you draw a small thing, then you flip the pages
the
fast, and
pages
then the
and-
ball is kind of bouncing or
Yes,
something.
yes.
So what they are doing is every page पे they are slightly shifting the drawing, and then when you flip it, it feels like you're
It
moving.
feels movie जैसे
हाँ.
चल रहा है.
So that is the traditional way of animating, where pen paper पे people used to draw like a dog, his legs. Next frame में leg थोड़ा move हुआ, third frame में move हुआ, and then simultaneously when you're playing these drawings, it seems like the dog is running.
Okay.
So say for 1 second of an animation, that animator drew 100 drawings. And then the 100 drawings were played एक के बाद एक video editing में, and it seems like the dog is moving. So that's animation. Now this is the traditional way how Disney used to do it.
Yeah.
Now we have digital software, so we can do the same thing digitally. So what I do is the exact replica of a pen paper animation
Uh-huh.
to a digital animation on my iPad or on my computer. I use both softwares. I do frame by frame,
Mhm.
and then I play it together. So that is the animation that
Since
I
we've
do.
brought it up, how exactly does this process go?
Like
Yeah, illustration, how does it go about? आप पहले pen paper पर कुछ sketch बनाते
Yes.
हो या directly you jump onto your device?
so I started as an illustrator. Once again, probably I'll elaborate on it more. So even this started in 2020,
Okay.
where I was practicing architecture.
Mm-hmm.
I was in Mumbai for a while. But because of COVID, we were all
Yeah.
home. And even when I was in college, I still had this urge inside me that I wasn't able to satiate, where it's like I want to do something with storytelling. I don't know what, but I wanted to do something. So as soon as I moved to Mumbai, I started performing for open mic, spoken word poetry, or like storytelling events. I used to go there and I
This
performed
is
there.
something that fascinated you even when you were
Yes.
a child.
Yes, always. It has always fascinated me. So as soon as I moved to Mumbai for work, I started seeking these opportunities as well. But then because of COVID, we were all stuck at home
Mm-hmm.
and working daily. There was no social interaction, and I just wanted to learn a new skill. And I thought, I like storytelling, I like to draw, I know I have knowledge of Photoshop and all these softwares, so why not I should start making comics. So I started making small Instagram comics, like 1 page wala comic that something small is happening. That's how it started. Slowly my skills got better, and that brands started approaching me. So like the first brand that approached me, they wanted to do branding for their pizza boxes. So they wanted
Okay.
illustration for pizzas on their boxes. So things like that started happening.
Wonderful.
Then I was like, oh, I still want to do more. One comic, one page. I don't know. I don't feel fulfilled. And I wanted to do something with storytelling. Storytelling is longer format. So I thought, why not try animation? So then I started learning animation, that how does it work, how does it happen, and then I started making that.
Okay.
So the process is the same, that I think of a story, then I think of scenes. Like there are the first animation for me that went viral when I posted it to the audience was, there's this mom who's cooking,
Yeah, I
and
saw this.
yes, and there's this girl who comes पीछे से and वो एक मम्मी कुछ तल रही है, वो ऐसे एक
हाँ,
चुरा के
चुरा
जाती
के
है.
खाती
हाँ,
है.
so this is when I was just learning how to animate, and this idea just came to me because that's exactly what my mom used to do, कि guest के लिए बनाया है बेटा, तू मत खा types. So that's why I made that. So that story started. So then I make like static frames where the mom is cooking
Uh-huh.
and then the girl coming in, and then I
So
do
that,
this
so that
process.
girl's you.
Yeah, that girl's me. So then that picked up, people started liking that, and then that's how it goes. I just think of a story, and then I just create an animation out of it. I'll write a script,
Yeah.
then I make छोटे छोटे frames कि क्या क्या लगेगा इसमें, and then I do the frame by frame animation, how I said, dog running or whatever. Yeah, so that's the process of animating.
तो इसमें जैसे अंडरस्टैंडिंग मोर आउट ऑफ
Yes.
क्यूरियोसिटी, जैसे लड़की किचन में आ रही है, मानसी किचन में आ रही है,
Yes.
एंड जो मम्मी यहाँ पर तल रही है, सो मम्मी का हाथ जो मूव हो रहा है
हाँ.
तेल में से ऐसे
Yes.
कढ़ाई, एंड देन मानसी कमिंग हियर, तो ये इतने सारे फ्रेम्स बनाने होते हैं,
Yes.
एंड देन फिर उसको एक फास्ट फॉरवर्ड मोड
Yes.
जैसे उसको लगाना
Yes.
है.
So it's
इन माय रॉ लैंग्वेज.
yeah, that's exactly what it is. Then we have technical terms like frames per second, that in 1 second how many frames is just drawing.
Okay.
Let's say one frame is one drawing that I have to make. So when you watch an animated movie, so it's like 24 frames per second. यानी एक second में you're seeing 24 drawings.
Oh my
Now
God.
this
So
movie,
much of work that
Yes.
goes behind.
yes. So if there are 60 seconds and you're creating like 24 frames, like do the math, उतना सारा draw हो रहा है.
आइडियली कितना टाइम लगता है एक फ्रेम बनाने
So
को?
if I'm making like एक frame बनाने को, I'll tell you how much time it takes generally. I do like 60-second animations, 45 to 60-second animations. And because I work on social media where everything, clients want everything really fast, I do it in like 15 to 20 days. But if you need to do a really nice work, 1 minute का animation बनाने में 1 से 2 महीना लग जाता है.
क्या बात है.
I'm going to,
इतनी
for
मेहनत होती
everyone
है.
who's watching this,
It'd be really
Yeah,
helpful
it's
and
from-
exciting as well.
it's from another artist. He's a Japanese, Miyazaki is his name. He's made wonderful films. If anyone who's watched animated movies, they'll know about it. Crowd moving, and that took them some 2.5 years to make. Like it's just 60 seconds of animation.
Okay.
So it's a lot of hard work, is what I'm trying to
now
say.
I can get it.
Yes.
कितनी मेहनत होती है.
Yes, I'll definitely share that
Yeah, please.
clip. Yes.
So when you say you're making those illustrations and इसमें जो characters होते हैं, so where do you get inspirations from for these characters? Is it the people around you,
Yes.
your childhood inspirations?
Yes. So, one reason why people started connecting with my page was, even I didn't know about this. I started reading the comments and then I realized people kept saying कि when I see your videos, it makes me really nostalgic. मुझे
Yeah,
मेरे बचपन
absolutely.
के दिन याद आते हैं. So I said, oh, that's what's happening. It's definitely all my lived experiences. Mostly all my animations are that. The characters are inspired by my parents, my family,
dadi,
friends,
nana.
me. Yeah, so it's all people around me, and generally that's what I've seen. People who like storytelling or who are creative, we are just very imaginative. तो वो कुछ कुछ चीजें आ जाती है अंदर से, is what I feel.
Yeah, I said दादा दादी वाली, क्योंकि आपके जो रील्स मैंने मेजरली देखे हैं उसमें है ना, जैसे लाइट चली गई एंड वो आजी के साथ में है, then
Yes.
another one चंपी हो रही है
Yes,
बाल की.
yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So because I've been very close to my grandparents and like my nana nani, so it's all that. Sometimes I make it and then I show it to my mother and she's like, अरे ये तो तूने नानी बनाई, अरे ये तो मैं हूँ. So like people who are around me, sometimes I don't realize it, but they keep telling me कि अरे this person really resembles this person in your life. So I
Wow.
think that's what the inspiration is, people around me.
Wow. And actually speaking, they make you feel nostalgic. Even I started watching the first one अभी जो आपका वो डाला हुआ है, and then I couldn't resist myself from scrolling more. And especially the जैसे हर एक element का भी आपने ध्यान रखा है. The routine phones that we had, no,
Yeah.
not the wireless one
Yes,
with
yes, yes,
wires,
yes.
and the simple pankha.
Yeah.
So all those elements are what we have lived in our 80s and
Yes,
90s.
yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's also because like my house was such, maybe you can call them hoarders, but everything that I put in my videos is something that I've seen in my childhood. Like my nani ka ghar was 100 years old or more than that. Like उसकी
Oh.
दीवारें अभी stone की बनी है. It's not concrete. It had like arches. एकदम पुराना चूना मिट्टी का घर है वो. So I have seen all these things like growing up, and that's why it becomes थोड़ा easy to draw it out. So yeah, everything is lived experiences.
कैरेक्टर सारे घर वाले ही है
हाँ,
उसमें.
बिल्कुल.
Does it happen sometime कि in your moods of lows and highs you put that emotion also into it?
Yeah, definitely. So
So is it a very good way of releasing out and venting out for me, for yourself?
it is also, I find like puri process is very like therapeutic for me of creating it,
Absolutely.
and the ideas are similar. Like I'm someone who's really nostalgia तो एक factor है ही, but I think a lot about my mental health as well.
Mhm.
So if I'm going through like a sad phase, my reels will be about the character going through a sad phase. If I'm really happy, then the reels will show that the character is happy. So my page is just me. Like my personification is that page and whatever is happening
So
in my
the
life.
right time to meet interior architect Mansi is just check out her page and what is
Yes.
the mood saying
Yes.
in her
Like
latest
currently I'm
reel.
not posting a lot. That's because I just like not in a mood to create right now. I think that's what happens with all creatives. We it burnout बोलते हैं or whatever it is, that it's very mood dependent because art वैसी होता
Since
है.
you've said about this mood now, there must be some days that you are on timeline from the client
Yes.
कि इतने टाइम में बनाना है, but it's like एकदम creative burnout जैसा phase
Yes.
है where the ideas absolutely do not flow in. So in such times, how do you cope up?
Sometimes you just need to push through because work is going to be work, and sometimes you just need to do it. And sometimes when it gets unbearable, like I had a project when I was working with this brilliant music composer. I can name him, he's brilliant. So there's this song called Chand Balia.
Yeah.
Yeah, so Aditya Sirsa was sung the song. I did a
Wonderful.
music video for him for his new song Man Ke Panne. The timeline was like 15 a month or so,
Okay.
and that prolonged for like 3 months because I was just going through like stuff in my family personally. So sometimes even clients matter because these are all humans you're dealing with. If I'm not feeling nice, I won't be able to produce a good video for this.
But obvious.
Yeah, so I was so grateful that this client or Aditya was so nice about it that it went out for 3 months and he was okay with it. So that's what you need to just find a balance. What I feel is you just be honest with your client. Most of the time, you need to push through. Work is work, consider it as work, do your work diligently, submit it. But if you're really going through something, just be very honest because in that state, especially for creatives, when it's like technical work, you can still do it. ये art, drawing, ये काफी अंदर से निकलता है. So if you're just not feeling it, वो नहीं आ पाएगा
नहीं आ
paper पे,
पाएगा.
is my true belief.
Ma'am, you mentioned you were doing this artwork for Aditya, the one who sung this song,
Yes.
Chand Balia.
Yes.
And the work, which was scheduled to conclude in a month's time, it took more than
Yes.
around 3 months.
Yes.
So, and what was it and why so long?
So basically, this project came after a point where I wasn't getting a lot of clients and a lot of work because predominantly I am an animator where people can go two routes where
Mhm.
they can work for an animation firm, they can be an independent animator, or something that I did where I'm creating my animations for Instagram. So you can
Okay.
call me a creator. How people also call influencers, but because I'm an artist, we can say a creator. So my main platform is Instagram. My revenue generation happens from Instagram, and Instagram
Okay.
is run on an algorithm. So you might have heard this from different creators. कि
Yeah.
It gets to you, the algorithm gets to you, views नहीं आते, ये नहीं आता. Then they also say कि numbers don't matter, you shouldn't think about it. So I was just going through this phase where logically and technically I knew I'm putting in the effort in my work, it's okay views nahi aa rahe, but monetary way में or you know in other ways it was still affecting me, where I was like, oh no, I'm doing such work, I'm not getting clients. And then this project came and I was just in this phase of, you know, just figuring it out, that what do I want to do. I've already switched career twice actually, I didn't do engineering. Like, is this the right path? So I was just going through this and it got to me in a way where I just wanted to take a break. So I took a break, and in that break I got this project and I was like, I don't want to leave a project. I love his work, I want to collaborate. So I took upon that, but I was still going through this phase. Luckily he was super nice about it, but that's why I emphasis on this, that if you're going through a phase mentally, consider your health first, because
Mental health first.
yes, mental health first, because physical health ka to everyone just goes to a doctor and they know they are unwell. But a lot of times we tend to ignore our mental health. So I don't think we should be doing that. So if you're going through something, just pay attention to it. Yeah.
So, ma'am, when you speak of mental health, let's conclude this. So, what did you do that pulled you out of this? Of course, this is one of the work that you got from a renowned name.
Yes.
That must have definitely helped you, and keeping yourself involved in the work.
Yes.
I believe that was another thing. And what is one major step that you took which pulled you out of this?
So it's unrelated to my work, but I started therapy. So I have been in therapy for 2 years. That has helped me massively.
Okay.
But my problem has always been, because I come from a family where, you know, it was all about academics. So I just grew up very sincere towards work, and I grew up overworking myself because that's what was taught, unfortunately. So I just realized that you need to slow down. Work ही सब कुछ नहीं है. You need to just pace yourself. Life is about a lot of different things. Work is a part of it. So apart from my work, slowing down really helped, where it's like, ठीक है, if you're just producing 2 hours of work in a day, you're going through a phase, it's okay. You don't. So I was someone who used to work like 12 to 17 hours in a day. Sometimes I would just sleep for 3-4 hours.
Oh my God.
Not healthy. I won't recommend. So it's trial and error. You recognize that you need to slow down, talk to a professional, and then get back to it. And also recognize that it's just a phase. हमेशा ऐसा नहीं रहेगा. You'll get out of it.
Ma'am, I can really relate to this because I have also been a person. I was always a topper in my class, and there was no pressure as such. मेरी family में, my parents or anyone, कि first ही आना है, first rank छोड़ना नहीं है. लेकिन for me, I used to be a strict teacher, and मेरे लिए ऐसा था कि first तो छोड़ना ही नहीं है. अगर first से second आ गई, मेरी नाक कट जाएगी सबके सामने.
Yeah.
So to come out of that thing, and the unfortunate part of being in this mindset is हम लोग को आदत हो जाती है वो फर्स्ट आने की just about in every area where we go, even if you're sitting in the group, या आप कुछ भी काम कर रहे हो, वो एक mindset बन जाता है. And even if you are a little low than number one, you do not excuse yourself. You're a strict teacher on yourself. So I can really relate how difficult it must be to come out of that jail.
Yeah. That's exactly what happened. That perfectionism and all of that is great, but you need to know that you should slow down. कभी कभी mediocre हो गए थोड़े time के लिए, it's okay.
It's okay.
Be kind to yourself.
Be kind to yourself. To sum up. Yes. Very true. Okay, now coming to your creative workspace. So ma'am, अगर मैं आपके घर आती हूँ, तो how is your desk? Is it a messy one या फिर एकदम से clean वाला होगा?
So a very good thing, not a good thing, but something that I can bring up right now is the difference that you'll see. So I have 2 email IDs, very random thing that I'm telling you. One is my personal email ID and one is my work email ID.
Okay.
My personal email ID has like 2,100 emails. My work email ID is properly organized. Like these are work emails, this is for client, this is personal work, no unread emails. So I'm very particular about my work, but my personal life can be best, like things are organized or not, that is all fine. So even at my house, I have a room because I work from home. So I have a studio space, I have a big desk. My desk part, and then it has a lot of shelves over here. So my desk is going to be very clean. The shelves are super messy. All of that goes there, and then
so it's about how you prioritize, ma'am.
Yes.
So you prioritize first your professional work.
Yes.
Wonderful. So in all, you are a very managed and a neat and organized one.
Yeah.
I can say. Ma'am, you've worked with some of the amazing brands. So can we have more about this?
Yeah. So till now I've worked with Microsoft, Hyundai.
Mm-hmm.
Then in Indian brands, there is Keventers, Jiva, that's the
Great.
jewelry brand.
Yeah, Jiva.
Then again, I mentioned Aditya. I've worked for a music video with him. So I've worked with YouTube India itself and
Mm.
promoted on their page for themselves. And then I've worked with like smaller brands who want to do some branding, or I've worked with like really good sari brands. So the portfolio is all over. Like it could be a very big brand, or as I mentioned earlier, I've also done branding for a pizza shop
Yeah.
that's somewhere in Bangalore. So the portfolio really ranges, but like one of my biggest clients include like Microsoft, Amazon, Hyundai.
How did you get into these?
Again, Instagram is a great platform. I started posting. I never approached anyone. So I just started posting. I also did work for a Marathi movie.
Acha.
Yeah, it's called My Lake. Sonali Khare is starring in that with her for her daughter. So very cute movie. I did the trailer for that.
Acha.
Yeah. So it's just I started posting. So Instagram is like a two-edged sword. It's like amazing if you post and you get reach, clients would approach you, but then it also gets to your mental health. So you need to,
seeing the number of likes and followers.
So you just need to tread it carefully. So that's what happened. I never approached a client. I was very grateful that people saw my work and they approached me. So
wonderful.
Yeah.
And of all these works, which has been your favorite one?
My favorite work. So I definitely love the music video. That's why I keep mentioning, because that experience came to me at the point where like I had hit rock bottom career-wise, but it was an amazing experience. Apart from that, I have enjoyed something that I did for Hyundai. So I did it for Independence Day for their page. It was a really lovely animation that we created. So these two I really enjoyed working on. Apart from that, I really like personal projects more.
Ma'am, you've mentioned all the big names, Microsoft, Hyundai, and Jiva. So, ma'am, you being Bahu of Vadnere Saraf Jewelers. So when are you making one for them?
Wherever they ask me to. So yeah, they always get very excited about my work. I always send whatever I make, I send it to my in-laws. I have been really involved in the branding and everything that they want for them. But yeah, we've just never worked on an animation. This is a good idea. I think I should ask
calls
them.
for the next project now.
Yes, definitely.
Ma'am, you spoke about Instagram.
Yes.
So this is for the audience and for me also. Me also working on social media for promotions of
yes.
So learning for me as well and the audience. So how does this Instagram actually work? जो algorithm आप बोल रहे हो.
So I think there are two ways.
How can one kick off the numbers?
So for me, how it started was at that time reels were not a thing. People only posted static photos. So I started with comics, and then मेरा काफी organic था. As soon as reels started, I was like, okay, this is an opportunity where I can create animations. Like I could turn my comics to animations. So this is how it went for me, that I just started posting reels. At that time, there were not many creators because reels just start हुआ था. This was what, 4 or 5 years back, I think. So the algorithm picked it up really quickly, and
this is the COVID time you're talking.
COVID time.
When you actually venture into all this.
Yeah. So whenever I think reels became a thing on the platform, it's usi ke aspas I had put it up. So at that time, the algorithm was different. It picked up my reel, my animation really quickly. It reached a wide audience. I got my following. So that was very quick. Like in a month or two, I gained a lot of followers, and I didn't like it was. I always tell it to everyone in my family that it was like someone had put their foot on the accelerator and the gaadi kabhi ruki nahi. So I never got the chance to process it. What happens for other creators now? I'm friends with a lot of them. Is that either a lot of things trend on Instagram, right? So either you pick up on that and you do content that is trending, so the algorithm will pick it up.
The current affairs you are saying.
Yes. The current affair. There is music that's trending, so you just get that music on your reel and the algorithm will pick up. No one has been able to crack the algorithm. I have read a lot of surveys, a lot of reviews. I've done like social media marketing ki study. Algorithm ka aisa kuch nahi hai. Either you go that way where you just do the trending things, which is also a great way to approach it. The second thing is you are very authentic. So when I created it, mera USP ban gaya that this person creates nostalgic animations.
And you have usually पुराने गाने होते हैं
Yes,
आपके इसमें
पुराने
तो
गाने. So that's
trending भी नहीं
all nostalgic. So
Yeah.
that demographic then wants to follow your page. So you
Okay.
can do those two things. Either you have your own USP or you do go with the trends and
Sure.
just follow the trends. So these two things I think work on Instagram the best, and that just helps you reach a wider audience.
Yeah, okay, wonderful these two inputs. Ma'am, real life में there are many more, creative people who actually want to make art into a profession.
Yes.
But the big question that leaps before them is this financially viable? जो एक financial uncertainty होती
Yes,
है, and
yes,
so
yes.
the leap of faith they cannot
Yes.
do it.
Yes. So there are two factors in this, that there has always been this perception of artists जो हम मूवीज में भी देखते हैं, आर्टिस्ट को हमेशा एक कुर्ते में दिखाएंगे, ऐसे वो एक झोला लेके जा रहा है. तो there is a very peculiar image which is very true, that sometimes art is not a field that's extremely financially stable. I'll be very honest about it. But if that is something that you want to do, especially in this time, I can tell it because although I'm an interior architect, जिसके लिए I have a degree, animation में I have no degree. Everything that I've learned is online. Nowadays, internet is available to everyone. सबके phone पे भी होता है. You just need to Google what you want to learn, and you can start with pen and paper. A lot of times I've seen people, they feel like अरे tools नहीं है, which is true. But even if you don't have the tools, resources are abundant now. So you can just go and type the simplest thing ki what is animation. From there you can start, or whatever they want to do as an artist, illustration or whatever. And I think internet is the best source to learn. You can start with that, because this is not my journey, but this is the journey of a lot of my contemporary animators. Now I'm friends with them because of Instagram. A lot of them started with phone and a finger.
Okay.
And they've done brilliant animations. So opportunities are abundant. The sky is the limit. I really feel कि don't feel कि हमारे पास डिग्री नहीं है, so we won't be able to do this, और इतना पैसा लगेगा ये कोर्स करने में. Approach it with this idea of I want to learn, and internet is my guide. So that is
financial जो uncertainty वाली जो बात है. Is there anything that people could be doing कि यहाँ से अपने को earnings आती रहेगी until I sharpen my skills?
Yes, yes.
So can they do something in this?
So like you need to have a passive income source where if you're an illustrator, a lot of people, like graphic designer is a broader term. So almost everyone wants a graphic designer these days, because everyone is just on social media, they're just putting up their brand to promote it.
Yeah.
So what happens a lot of times I've seen with artists is if you have specialized in one thing, you keep looking for your job in that specific thing, और कभी कभी मिलता नहीं है. So just settle for something that's not exactly your specialized field, but related to that. If that's generating a passive income source for you, just go for it. कि महीने का एक passive आ रहा है, and then chase your passion, is what even I started with. कि probably branding was not something that I wanted to do initially. I just wanted to animate. But शुरू में अगर वही मेरे पास opportunity आ रही है, I shouldn't let it go. Like even if it's paying me really less, it's still paying me. Just do that, and then follow your passion.
Of course. So that's a good take. तो जो भी उसमें parallel भी आपको opportunity आ रही है, don't miss on those, grab those, and at the same time keep sharpening your skills.
Because I really feel even for creators, or you need to have a passive income source that's not social media. You need to have like a other job that is stable.
Yeah.
Because शुरू में ठीक है, but as responsibilities increase in your life, you need to have
being
that.
realistic,
So, yes,
even
yes,
आप अगर आप when we are talking about कि sharpen the skills, लेकिन all the courses are not free available.
Yes.
They are paid courses.
Yeah. But that's what, like I did a course as well, and I had a learning from that course is that you can't charge a lot for a course, because most of these people who are trying, I got so many texts from people ki Didi, I can't really afford this. And then I realized ki okay, this is probably not the best way to go about it, because India में इतना population है. A lot of people, like I said in my time, I didn't know art exists as a field. I am very sure so many others exist जिनके साथ यही problem हो रहा है. I just feel very lucky कि internet पे free sources हैं अभी. Like मैंने एक भी course नहीं किया. Everything was just YouTube videos.
So ma'am, it would be really great if you if we can add in the caption the courses which you've taken free of
Yes,
cost
yes,
on
yes,
internet,
yes, sure.
you know. And could you mention some of the courses that you had done?
So specifically, if someone wants to get into animation, the first thing they need to do is just write 12 principles of animation on YouTube.
Okay.
That's it. You will get 2-3 videos. वो videos में whatever they have shown, if you just learn that properly, you have learned everything about animation. Then it's just about practicing.
Okay.
That's the basis of animation. So it's specifically for animation. If you want to illustrate, you can just write, how do I illustrate? Say someone has approached you to make a wedding invite. Wedding invites also have illustration. So you
Okay.
can also just type wedding invite illustration ideas, and then you'll just get so many tutorial videos.
So is illustration the same as the templates that we get on the when you search?
Yeah, so those templates, someone might have illustrated that.
Okay,
Yeah.
so that's illustration
Yes,
precisely.
yes.
Fair. Okay, ma'am, you spoke something about the tools. You said that other creators say कि हमारे पास इतने tools भी नहीं हैं. So what are these tools like?
So again, speaking for my field, animation mein there are 2-3 ways. A lot of people start with just their phone. A lot of phones nowadays have that stylus wala
Stylus.
thing. If you don't even have that, you can use your finger to do that. That's how
Mouse
you
can
start.
also do the
Yes,
work.
yes. Then mouse can also do. Then if you have a laptop available, mouse. I started that way. I had my mouse and my laptop. So that's how I started. And then there is a small drawing pad
Yeah.
that comes. It's itna sa. It's not that expensive. If you can afford it, it's fine. If it's on a budget, usse, that's the next step. Laptop
Okay.
ke baad. If you feel confident in that, iPad is a very good investment, but it's a very expensive
Yeah, of
investment.
course.
Yeah. I mostly use my iPad now, and then I also have like Adobe softwares that I use to animate. Those are the basic tools. So if someone, you can start from your phone, and then you can also go to like a gaming PC wala setup for the
Achha.
renders to come out fast. So you can use anything. It depends on what your budget allows you to do. Yeah.
Okay. So here you spoke about the different tools and the different applications that one venturing out into would they can make this accessible for them. So the next question here is उन्होंने बना लिया, बनाने के बाद में कहाँ जर्नी शुरू करे पोस्टिंग की?
So, the way LinkedIn is a page for people to, approach other corporate or employees or people hire from LinkedIn, there is Adobe ka ek website called Behance.
Behance.
Yeah,
Okay.
Behance. Just put up a portfolio on that.
Uh-huh.
You get a lot of offers from that.
Okay.
Or what you can do is, I tried doing that initially as well, that if you like someone, if you like an animation studio, make that and send it to that studio.
Okay.
Okay, this is my work. I want to have an internship under you, or if you want a job, that's what you can approach them for. But like start sending it out to people that you like. So
Okay.
it can just be a creator as well. If you like an animator on Instagram, a lot of animators are looking for interns. So you can
Okay.
start with that. Ki, see, I don't have
And
resources.
sitting in their home, they could be working,
Yes,
be it any part
remotely.
of India.
Yeah. That's
So
the best.
Behance and LinkedIn, do check out this.
Do check out this, and also Instagram. Instagram pe just check out the pages of people that you like from the
Uh-huh.
field and just send an email or a DM. That,
Okay.
yeah.
Wonderful. That was a great addition, and I'm sure that people watching this, it would be
Yes.
helpful for them. So, ma'am, if I say कि मैम अपोश के लिए कुछ बनाइए,
Yes.
so what is it that comes to your mind?
Aposh ke liye we can make an ad that is animated, but
Okay.
we'll have to do like a storyline and how can we fit the product in the animation. We'll have to see.
Ma'am, you've checked out being an architect. So
Yes.
you've checked out from that eyes the products. So which product you would want to animate for us?
Whatever you ask me to, actually, this is a question that has put me in a spot where I really don't know what I can say. We can do like flooring. I love pattern tiles every time I visit you.
The
So we-
handcrafted cement
yes, the
tiles.
handcrafted
Yeah.
cement tiles. That can be a good thing because we can do like a good home interiors ka
Specifically, I have
illustration.
seen your flair towards the terracotta color and
Yes,
the Jaisalmers.
yes. So we can do that, and then you have really amazing finishes, wall finishes.
Yeah.
We can incorporate all of that in the video and then just, do an advertisement for that.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Yes.
So I'm seeking one soon.
Yeah, sure.
Ma'am, how do you see yourself and your work, say 5 years down from now, 2030?
Wow. So I'm actually in a transition phase right now where you've like caught me in that phase right now where I'm like, I have realized like personally for me, Instagram or social media probably won't be long term. I really want to do animation, but I want to do like long form where it can be like short films, or even if I get people to invest, probably a longer duration
short
film.
films you mean to say जैसे Walt Disney के होते हैं वैसे?
Yes.
Okay.
Any short like animated film that you can also see on YouTube. A good example is if you've seen Kisan ka ad.
हाँ.
Yeah, it's an animated ad,
Yeah.
and I know the studio that has done it, so that's really nice. It's like, so something like that which is not catering to a scrolling algorithm कि आपने बनाया किसी ने 2 सेकंड में scroll कर दिया, because people come on Instagram for leisure.
Yeah.
So I feel like I want to transition to that more because that's what is appealing for me. And then currently I'm also looking at going back to my roots of an interior architect
Yeah.
because I've started missing it. So I'm, approaching people, and I'm also taking projects for that. So that's probably what I'm going to continue, and I hope that's what I'm doing in 2030, and I have probably a short film ready by then.
Of course.
Animated, yes.
Yeah, we are waiting for that, ma'am.
Yeah.
2030. So what kind of legacy you want to leave as an artist and as a person architect, interior architect Mansi?
Oh, wow. I'll have to think on this one. So again, like earlier, I was very strong on this opinion that I want to leave a legacy. That was when I was in this phase where I used to overwork. I was very particular about perfection. So maybe this is just a phase, but right now I feel like I just want to enjoy the work I do. And maybe probably that's why even on my Instagram, I take a route where the stories that I create are not following any trend. It's, as I mentioned earlier,
Yeah.
it's all from my life. It's
Very
all
impromptu.
from, it's very impromptu. It's very nostalgic. So I want that authenticity to stay till the end.
That makes them niche, actually speaking.
Yes. So that's, if you can call that a legacy, that I want my work to be true to me, that every time someone sees one animation, I just want them to know कि I know this artist
हाँ.
because it has that art style.
जो उसका जो feel जा रहा है animation
हाँ.
का.
Yeah, so that is what I want to do with my animation. And with my architecture, I want it to be, for my architecture and interior practice, now so construction industries as such, concrete and all of that, it's not giving back to the environment. I know I won't be able to do that 100%, the field as such, but in my small capacity, I just want to go more towards sustainable design. I don't think that will be a legacy, but that's just something that I want to contribute to this field. I want that to be my contribution, to be more sustainable, and how I can incorporate that in my design language.
Okay, so sustainability along with creativity and
Yes.
creating your
Yes.
creating your niche.
Yes.
Fun and quirky,
Oh my
rapid
God.
fire.
Okay.
So let's begin.
Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am, AI is everywhere
Yes.
these days. So how has this come into your designing field,
Yes.
illustration, and is it a boon for you or is it eating up your work?
Currently, it's eating up our work because AI is so new and people are just experimenting with it. And but even right now, you just write a prompt and then 5 seconds, the
Exactly.
illustration is there. So it is eating up our work right now. I don't know. I've been in talks recently. I connected with someone and we've been in talks on how to ethically use AI. We're still trying to figure it out, but currently I haven't had a great experience with AI as an artist because I mentioned an artist right now, a Japanese animator, Miyazaki. So, थोड़े time पहले there was a trend that went viral called the Ghibli.
Yeah, Ghibli.
Yeah. So
Everyone making their family photo in.
He is the creator of Ghibli.
Okay.
That he is in his 80s right now. He was extremely against computers generating animation. AI took that work, made it mainstream, did not take permission from the artist, and
Oh, is it?
yeah, and everyone got, so at one point I think सबने ये सोचा होगा कि अरे ये कितना overdone है, बोर हो गया, ये नहीं देखना हमें.
हाँ,
That person spent his whole life creating a legacy,
exactly.
and AI just destroyed it sometime, I don't know if I should use, that's a very strong word, destroyed, but yeah, being an artist, that's how I feel. It's like someone has spent their life doing something, you're just using computer to do
Of
it in
course,
2
किसी की
seconds.
identity छीनने जैसी बात
Yes,
हो गई है ये.
so I don't know how I feel about it, and I'm not a big fan of using AI for creative stuff. Just give it to the people who have, spent hours learning the skill.
Of course.
Yeah.
Ma'am, say, talking about AI and your work, to what I have understood the concept so far, a little what I have understood. जैसे आपने आपकी childhood memories को, है ना, जो human figures जो आपके आसपास में
Hmm.
रहे है ना, you have tried to put into those
Hmm.
characters.
Yes.
So if I put a prompt, make an illustration like Mansi Joshi art does.
Yes.
So do you think would AI be able to do something like that and putting in that human touch?
I've been very curious, the exact question that you asked me. I've been very curious, and sometimes I've, thought of this, that should I like try and ask the same question to her, but I've been very scared to see the response. I'm like, what if it really produces it? It's just heartbreaking to see, like, you
I'm
put in
sorry, I
so
have put दुखती रख पर मैंने हाथ रख दिया.
yeah. So I'm like, I'm very scared. But I've thought about this a lot of times. That should I try asking AI that can you generate something like this person does? I'm pretty sure AI will be able to. It probably won't have the same essence, but that's what my question is. Like, for a layman, it's very hard to understand. Right now, I spoke to you for this duration of time, and probably you now understand that how time consuming animation is. But I can't expect that from a person who's just scrolling on Instagram कि अरे
course.
मैंने कितना effort डाला है ये आपको दिख नहीं रहा. So that's what, it's just like blurring the lines of what's ethical, what's not ethical. So
And hours and months of
yes,
practice.
yes. But that's what they say, that in some time, because of AI, a lot of jobs will become obsolete. So
Yeah.
I don't know. Probably, I just hope that's not our job.
So for you, you're not very happy with AI in all.
Yeah, not happy for our field. I'm pretty sure AI will be very helpful in some.
Rather put it this way, it is not justified. So
Yes.
justifies is
Yes.
one good word.
Yes, definitely.
So now, after having so many inputs, insightful inputs, so let's get on to a fun and a quirky round of rapid fire.
Yes.
Ma'am, if your sketchbook could talk, what would it say about you?
I think my sketchbook will also say this person is stuck in the 90s because all my drawings are very nostalgic.
As a kid, did you draw on walls and get scolded?
No, I had very strict parents. I was not allowed to draw on walls.
Okay. A Bollywood poster you'd like to redesign in your style?
Pulp Fiction.
Pulp Fiction. This
Yes.
is a Hollywood
Yes, it's a
Hollywood
Hollywood
movie.
movie.
Which Indian festival gives you the most colorful inspiration?
Holi and Diwali.
Holi and Diwali, but of course. If you could bring one of your characters to life for a day, who would it be?
Wow, I think it will be the first reel that went viral, that mother and that daughter stealing
That samosa.
Yes.
Wonderful. I guess that was samosa only.
Yeah.
Messy desk or neat desk? Your
Mm.
best work born, where is it born?
Neat desk.
Neat desk. A color you overuse without guilt.
I think you know the answer. Rust, red,
terracotta
yes.
color. Pencil, stylus या mouse? Your weapon of choice.
Pencil first, and then
Pencil and paper.
yeah, pencil and paper, and then like stylus, Apple Pencil.
Paint, water accident, or file not saved disaster, which is more scary.
File not saved because now I work digitally.
If you had to live inside one of your own illustrations for a day, which
Yes.
one would that be?
So there's this illustration of a summer day where light chali jati
Light chali
hai,
jati
and
hai.
the girl sits on her dadi's lap and they are just, pankha.
Punky
I love
hilari.
that one.
That
Full
was a
summer
beautiful
vibe.
one. Even I loved that. Tea, coffee, or chai tapri cutting chai.
Coffee. I'm a big coffee person.
Your art style in 3 emojis.
My art style in 3 emojis will be, I don't know why, that there's this monkey that's doing this. I
Yeah.
don't know why that comes to my mind. Then there is a happy emoji with a halo on top.
yes.
Yes, that. And then the crying one, not the crying one, but the emotional one that's looking like this. There's one emoji
Yeah, I
on
remember
WhatsApp.
that.
Yes, because my illustrations are pretty nostalgic and that feeling comes out. That's why.
If your life was an animation short film,
Hmm.
what would the title be?
So there's this title that I really like. Should I just say it? I've been thinking about an animated film. It's called Dibbe Mein Kyun Bando. It's like, why are
Okay.
you so boxed? Like,
Uh-huh.
get out of the box. As soon as we are kid, people are just trying to, engineer bano, ye bano, wo bano. So it's like, get out of your box. So they say na shatter the glass ceiling.
Yeah.
So what I like is Dibbe Mein Kyun Bando. Like,
Uh-huh.
get out of the box is one title that I really like.
I'm sure आपका ये जो podcast रहा है, it will be an inspiration for so many people who are actually डिब्बे में वो बंद हैं and they want to break through
I
and
hope.
live their own life.
I really hope.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it needs a lot of guts and it needs a lot of mental, stability and mental power to be coming out of that rut.
Yeah.
And आपको जिसमें ढाल दिया है उसमें से निकलना,
Yes.
I feel that needs a lot of mental work. And I'm glad we have you here.
Thank you for
And
having me here.
the beautiful part what I liked was आपने जो आपके what you spoke about the mental breakdown. It's not very easy that to speaking on screen when everybody would be talking
Yes.
would be watching this. So it takes a lot of courage.
Thank you.
And I'm glad that you came out of it. And the first time we met, I have used one word for you.
What
You
was
know
it?
it.
Bubbly.
Bubbly. So I would still say that please keep that
Thank
bubbliness in
you.
you.
Thank you so much.
That brings up that spark, on you. That is you are a beautiful person.
Thank you. Thank you. Those were a lot of kind words.
So it was great having you here
Thank
with us.
you. Thank you for having me. This was lovely. This was a lovely chat.
Glad we had you.
Thank you.